Hello Mr. Electronic Cigarette Smoker, you look very nice today. I think you will be using your totally wicked Tornado electronic cigarette on this tube train.
Yes, Miss Wicked, I will be. What do you have in those skulls dangling down your thighs?
I have Young Man the Patriot Range new tobacco flavor concentrates in them.
Nice, Miss Wicked. Can I try some Camel?
You want to try some Camel, do you? I might let you, if you give me your Mega Tornado battery and fully charge it for me.
Miss Wicked, do you know how much power is in my Mega Tornado battery? There is 1000 milliamps. I bet you have never had one that big before.
That's where you're wrong. I have tried very big batteries before. My first electronic cigarette was the Screwdriver. It has a 900 milliamp battery. The vape from it really was totally wicked.
Miss Wicked, I'm not surprised you want my Mega Tornado battery then. If you have been using an SD to suck on normally, I'm sure you like a good throat hit. If so, my Mega Tornado will really tickle the back of your throat as you suck in the totally wicked juice it delivers.
Yes, that is why I will trade you. I need a great throat hit to satisfy my needs. Totally Wicked's juice is the best. I'm in love with it.
Then I will give you the big Tornado battery you desire. But I insist you trade me for the delicious Camel flavor concentrate you have.
I'm Miss Wicked and a lady of my word. Let's trade and then vape together. What do you say? We can go on a vaping date if you like. I just love your English accent.
That will be my pleasure. You are very beautiful. I love your costume, but first please remove your smoke mask. There is no need for it now. You are using my Mega Tornado. The power it will deliver will make you realize that a smoke mask is not now needed.
Okay, for you I will remove my mask. You are such a sweet talker, young man. I'm so excited, young man, to be going on our first vaping date, and using that big Tornado battery of yours. Everyone should remember what vaping the totally wicked way means: recreational nicotine and hot dates.